Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Angela and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have for you guys my BoxyLuxe unboxing. So what I'm going to do for you guys today, I'm going to quickly show you guys the products and then at the end I'm going to try everything on my face. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. So the theme for this month is BoxyCharm Getaway, and there are 9 products this month. After I mention the products, I will leave all of the prices in the description box below so you compare it to how much you actually pay for the box and how much your total value is. The first thing that I'm going to pull out of the box is this PYT little baggie, and it's like this black satin bag with PYT in gold. So this is what is in the box. It is a turquoise blue blow dryer, and it has the on and off switch right here in 120 or 230 volts. It comes with a little plug-in, perfect for travel. This is so stinking cute, and it comes with 2 diffusers. So you have this one, and then you also have this diffuser. And there are instructions in the back. So this is the PYT Mini Turbo on the Go dryer. It says that the Mini Turbo on the Go dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be an arm's length away. This MSRP's for $85. So this is already $35 more than what you pay for the box, which is crazy. I did not do that math right. 5, 6, 7. I did do the math right. Okay, so $35, yeah, more than what you actually pay for the box. So right there, this mini hair dryer, which is absolutely gorgeous and perfect for travel, beats the price of your box. This next thing that I've pulled out comes all bubble wrapped, and it is the M.Greengrass hand and body butter. This is what that looks like. This is the Lilley M.Greengrass hand and body butter in the scent Summer and Nice, and it has 5 ounces of product in it. Drench your body in the moisture it deserves with M.Greengrass hand and body butter. It is free of parabens, artificial colors, petroleum, and mineral oil, and is never tested on animals. And this MSRP's for $24. Ooh, wow. Okay, so that's like filled to the brim, like all the way to the top. That smells so good. I got it on my lip. Here is the next item. It is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Instant Lasting Volume and Texture Style and Finishing Spray. This Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast retails for $29, and it says make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. That's a mouthful. This styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone-free, and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love Living Proof products. I die by them. These are so good, and I'm so excited that this is in our box, and I cannot wait to use it. And again, $29, the value of this box like actually blows my mind. This is the next item that I've pulled out, and it is by the brand Trestique, and let me see what this is. This is Trestique's Good Vibes Mascara that retails for $25. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind. So my guess is this weird contraption here at the top is the lash curler. Yeah. And then this bottom tube portion right here is the actual mascara. So when I try this on at the end, I will kind of take this apart and show you guys how to use it without stabbing my eye out. So I am so excited to have Touch in Soul in the box again. I absolutely loved their No Poreblem primer, I swear. Okay, so the Touch in Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence retails for $23. It says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence. Infused with Calendula Oil Officinalis flower extract, this primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. I am so sorry if I completely butchered that. Calendula officinalis. This does have 1.01 fluid ounces or 30 milliliters. And this is what the tube looks like. It's actually kind of cute. It just has a baby pink bottle with kind of a dropper at the end and a squeezy tube. Here is the next item in the box. It is by Farmacy and it is their Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Okay, so the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA BHA gentle flower acids blend, you'll get a youthful looking, smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. This retails for $58. Oh my goodness. I have been so into skincare lately, so I'm actually super excited. And it has this cute like little honeycomb on the top and bottom. Oh. So here is what that bottle looks like. It is just this gorgeous gold, and you can obviously see the serum through this frosted bottle. And you do get, I did say 30 milliliters, 1.01 fluid ounces. And it just has a little pump at the top. I don't know, I think I was expecting a dropper for the serum, but I'm super excited to use this. Like I said, super into skincare. Let's just continue into the products. So I am super duper excited. I knew this brand was going to be in the box this month, and it is the Dominique Cosmetics, what is it? Lemonade lip gloss? Let me check. Yes, it is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. It says, add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. This MSRP's for $17, and I've never tried anything by Dominique Cosmetics, but I do know that she is raved about in the beauty community and on YouTube, so I'm super duper excited to get this in the mail, and I did get the shade Peach Tea. So it is this gorgeous nude, pinky nude shade. This is the doe foot applicator. This is the next item in the box, and it is by a very loved brand of mine. It is Dr. Brandt's Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Powered by a biotic balancing complex, this prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. This MSRP is for $35. Dr. Brandt is an amazing skincare brand, so I'm super excited to try this out. My bottle is a little tinted from the box. It looks like it had a rough ride here, but that does not damage the product on the inside, and I do love this like mint green color, so super excited to use this. This is the final item in the box, and it is the Tarteist Pro Glow Volume 3 Cheek Palette. It says, meet your new everyday staple. This 6-shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette, Volume 3, formulated with Amazonian clay, delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted, dimensional look, and this retails for $45. So this palette is a very matte velvet finish, and it just has the typical Tarte gold on it. And when you open it up, there are 2 mirrors and of course a film. And here are the 6 shades. There is Premiere, Headliner, and Autograph down here. And then we have Dance Floor, A-Lister, and Backstage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready with all these products. And I'm gonna take the shade Backstage and bronze my face up with that. And now I am gonna take the shade Dance Floor and add a little blush to my face. And I am also gonna dip into the shade A-Lister and highlight my face. Alright you guys, so that was everything in my box. Here is the completed look. It is very, very natural. I didn't do any eyeshadow. I just did my brows, bronzer, blush, foundation, and a lip gloss. So I hope you guys like that. Let me know down in the comments below what you got for this month's box. Let me know what you think of it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.